Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can basically build a landing page, which would be live in just a week. So, in this video, I'm gonna share my exact process on how you can have a custom landing page built specifically for your business. So I just prepared a doc. In this doc, there are like day 1 to day 7. So as you can see, on day 1, you should have a clear strategy and a clear understanding about your business. For example, whether it may be your business is around like solar or roofing or any kind of business, whether you own a real estate business. So whatever may be, you just type it in the your business. And on day 2, you should have all the copy and assets in one place. In terms of copy, it would be all the content which will be going on to the landing page for all the sections, mainly hero, about, and all sort sections where you should have a clear copy. And for the copy, I usually generate a simple copy where I will just provide a lot of context about my client's business in cloud. So for most of the website and landing page copy, I would highly recommend generating through cloud code, or mainly cloud. And you should have the all the assets which is in terms of all the images and videos. And also the important part is on day 2 is the brand guidelines, mainly the three colors. Out of those three colors, you should have a primary and secondary color throughout the landing pages, so that your business will be differentiated from the rest of the businesses. On day 3, we will just pick a template. After you finalize on day 2, you just need to copy and paste all the entire assets on one specific doc. And I'll share those things later about how you can utilize those assets. So on day 3, you can pick up a template. Right now, I'll just pick a template from a Framer marketplace. So on Framer Marketplace, you will have a bunch of templates that is available, whether it may be a free or paid. So I'm just gonna type in solar, for instance. So there are like bunch of websites and landing pages in terms of solar. So I just built a solar website template recently. So I'm just gonna edit that template. At first, you just pick a template and you just hit on use for free, and it will just copy a file for you to tweak on later. So I'll just pick a template from here itself. So this is a like landing page I have built for solar installation. So what you can do right now is, for the landing page, you just head right on to a new chat where you'll be creating a new chat. And here you should have all the in the doc, you should have all the copy and asset. You just copy and paste all the assets here, mainly the content and copy. And it will tweak the template based on the things you have attached here. So this is basically it, and it will just tweak all the things you wanted. You just don't need to have that sort of technical knowledge. You just have to be good at providing prompting, and you should be good at providing context on what exactly you want this template to be. So so in the Framer marketplace, the template is already like responsive. You just have to just double check everything and just hit publish, which is on the right one. You just need to update this. On day 4 to day 5, you will just after you have picked a template, on day 4 to day 5, you will just spend couple of hours tweaking the template based on your needs. On day 6, you should keep these three things in mind, mainly the mobile optimization, your speed of the landing page, and SEO basics. So I'm just gonna hit with mobile optimization. For the mobile optimization, you will just if the mobile screen, mainly the phone breakpoint, is not like responsive, you just ask the mainly the framer agent to make it responsiveness. It will do that for you. And in terms of SEO, what you can do is, on the left you have settings. You just hit on settings and you just have to do these basic things. These are this will be the title and description of your business. And you just and these are like four things, and you just add a favicon icon and have a social preview image. So these are just a basic thing in terms of SEO. And also, when you go to page settings, which you can see on the left, when you click home, you will have already generated title, whether it may be your business name. And you should have like a preview link. And you should tick on these things, mainly the search engine and the site search, and it will be SEO optimized. And you just hit on publish. When it comes to domain, so this is a crucial part. When it comes to domain, you just need to add a custom domain. On custom, you just click on right now I have added a custom domain. You just need to click on custom domain and connect it to GoDaddy. It will directly connect your domain to the Framer website. So forgot to tell you, before you connect the domain, you just have to have a hosting plan. You just basically have what I would recommend is have a basic yearly plan, which would be couple of like $10, or for yearly it would be like mainly $120 or $180, depending upon the country you are in. So you just add a plan, and then you can add a custom domain. And final thing I usually check for is mainly the performance. In terms of performance, you just head on to Google and type in page speed insights. And you just provide your website URL, and it will analyze your website for you. So I'm just gonna analyze one website just for you. Here I just pasted one of my like website template. So here it is showing on mobile, it's around like 95. The performance score is around 95, and on desktop it is also 95. The minimum performance, in terms of performance, it should be around 60. The reason 50 to 60 is a good sign of performance. The reason is because if you are running a Facebook ads or any ads, mainly on social media, you should have that performance. Because when you have a good performance, the page loads faster, and the visitors, you will have less likely bounce rates and all. So these are things you should consider. On days 7, obviously you will have those revisions. You will like pick the template, and you will connect the domain, and you just hit publish, and you will just launch the website. So I'm just gonna share a couple of templates I've been building. So here are the templates I have built. So if you are in any kind of niche, whether it may be a podcast, real estate, wedding, or roofing. So I just built a couple of templates. You can just browse any of the templates I have created. And I will be creating a lot of templates, mainly in terms of solar and other bunch of niches. So if you need help with any framework template customization, or you are looking for a custom website built in Framer, so I am happy to help you. So you can reach out to me via Twitter or via email. So I'll be like pretty active there. See you on the next video.